of negative 6% is followed by a grade of positive or negative 2%, the grades intersecting at a station 10, 150 at elevation of 285 m. The change of grade is limited to 0.45% in 18 meters. Ang hinahanap natin sa A ay the length of the vertical curve. R is equal to 0.4% in every 18 m. Ang magiging A natin, length of vertical, R is equal to G sub 1 plus G sub 2 over N. Magiging equation natin ay N is equal to 6% plus 2% over 0.4% equal to 20. L is equal to 20 multiplied by 18 is equal to 360 m. Total length of vertical curve. Ang hinahanap naman sa B ay the distance of the lowest point from PBT. B, S is equal to G sub 2 multiplied by L all over G sub 2 plus G sub 1. S is equal to 2% multiplied by 360 all over 2% plus 6%. Ang magiging S natin ay 90 m. Two roads with grades of positive 4% and negative 2% meet at station 10 plus 400 at an elevation of 95.43 m. To provide easement, a parabolic curve is to be fitted between these two roads. If the maximum allowable rate of change of grade is 3.3% per meter station. Ang hinahanap sa A ay stationing at PC and PT. R is equal to G sub 1 minus G sub 2 over L. Gumawa ng equation para makuha namin yung L. 0.003 over 20 is equal to 0.04 minus negative 0.06 over L. L is equal to 400 m. Station PC is equal to station PI minus 1/2 is equal to 10 plus 400 minus 400 over 2 is equal to 10 plus 200. Sa station PT naman, station PT is equal to station PI plus L over 2 is equal to 10 plus 400 plus 400 over 2 is equal to 10 plus 600. G sub 1 is equal to H sub 1 over L over 2. H sub 1 is equal to G sub 1 multiplied by L over 2 is equal to 0.04 multiplied by 400 over 2 is equal to 8 meters. Sa G sub 2 naman, G sub 2 is equal to H sub 2 over L over 2. H sub 2 is equal to G sub 2 multiplied by L over 2 is equal to 0.02 multiplied by 400 over 2 is equal to 4m. Elevation PC is equal to elevation PI minus HI is equal to 95.432 minus 8 is equal to 87. Elevation PT is equal to elevation PI minus H sub 2 is equal to 95.432 minus 4 is equal to 91.432 m. A symmetrical parabolic vertical curve connects to two grades 6% and negative 3% and is passing through point A. The station of point A is 5225 and has an elevation of 198 m. If the elevation of the intersection of grades is 200 m with stationing of 5 plus or minus 24, determine the following. A. Length of the curve. H is equal to L over 8 multiplied by G sub 1 plus G sub 2 . Ang magiging equation natin dyan ay Y sub 1 over X sub 1 squared is equal to H over L over 2 squared. Magiging A natin is equal to 20 multiplied by G sub 1 is 6%. A is equal to 1.2 m. So meron tayong A, kaya makukuha na natin yung A prime. Elevation A prime is equal to 200 minus A na 1.2 is equal to 198.8 meters. So, ibig sabihin, makukuha na natin yung Y prime is equal to 198.80 minus 198 is equal to 0.80 m. X sub 1 is equal to L over 2 minus 20. Magiging 0.80 over L over 2 minus 20 squared is equal to 0.011 times L over 2 squared. Ang magiging L natin ay 141.413 m. Ang hanapin naman natin sa B ay stationing of PBC and PVT. Ang magiging B natin ay station at PBC is equal to 5 plus 245 minus natin sa L2 na 141.145 over 2. Ang magiging station at PBC natin ay 5 plus 174.293. Tsaka natin i-add yung L over 2. Station at PBT is equal to 5 plus 245 plus 141.413 over 2. Ang magiging station at PBT natin ay equal to 5 plus 315.707.
forward tangent having a slope of negative 4% intersect the back tangent with a slope of 6.5% at point B. At station 4310 with elevation of 200 meters, the curve will pass through point with elevation of 238 meters at station 4285. The length of the curve is 60 meters on the side of the back tangent. So sabi dyan, ang A natin is determine the length of the curve on the side of the forward tangent. So ang magiging A natin is H is equal to L sub 1 multiplied by L sub 2 multiplied by G sub 1 plus G sub 2 all over 2 multiplied by L sub 1 plus L sub 2. So, ito yung magiging equation natin para sa H. Y sub 1 over X sub 1 squared. So, magiging H is equal over L sub 1 squared. Yan. Therefore, ang magiging A natin is equal to 25 multiply sa G sub 1 natin na 6.5%. So, ang magiging A natin is 1.6625 meters. So, ayan, makukuha na natin yung elevation ng A prime. So, elevation ng A prime is equal to 240 minus sa A natin na kinuha kanina na 1.625. Yan. Mag-equal siya sa 238.375 meters. Then, yung Y sub 1 natin is equal dun sa kinuha natin na elevation ng A prime na 238.375. Yan. Minus dun sa 238 na elevation ng A. Is equal to 375 meters. So, makukuha na natin yung Y1 natin. So, yung X sub 1 natin is equal to 60 minus 25. Yan. 35 meters. So, minus lang natin yung A natin. So, yung H natin is equal dun sa L sub 1 natin na 60 squared. Multiply natin sa Y1. So, 0.375 over yung kinuha natin kanina na X sub 1 na 35 squared. So, therefore, ang H natin is equal to 1.02 meters. So, yan. Mag-substitute na lang natin na 1.102 is equal dun ulit sa L sub 1 natin na 60 multiply by L sub 2 multiply sa G1 natin na 6.5% plus G2 natin na 4%. Yan. All over natin sa 2 multiply natin dun sa L sub 1 natin na 60 plus L sub 2. So, ang makukuha nating L sub 2 is equal to 32.285 meters. Proceed tayo sa B, determine the stationing of the highest point. So, ang B natin ay yung H na nakuha natin na 1.102 m. Then, yung G sub 1 natin na 6.5%, multiply natin siya sa L sub 1 over 2, na yung L sub 1 natin is 16. So, makukuha natin is 1.95 meters. Since yung H natin naman is less than sa G sub 1, multiply din natin siya sa L sub 1 natin over 2. So, ang magiging S natin is G sub 2, multiply natin sa L sub 2 squared over 2h. Yan. So, ang G sub 2 natin is 4%, multiply natin sa L sub 2 na 32.285 squared over 2 natin na 1.102 or yung H. So, ang magiging S natin is equal to 18.917 meter. Yan. Problem number 2. A forward tangent of 6% was designed to intersect a back tangent of negative 2.5% at a proposed underpass so as to maintain a minimum clearance allowed under a bridge which crosses perpendicular to the underpass. A 220 meters curve lies on the side of the back tangent while at 150 meter curve lies on the side of the forward tangent. The stationing and elevation of the ground intersection is 5535 and 100 meters, respectively. The center line of the bridge fall at 5585. The elevation of the underside of the bridge is 150 meters. Determine the minimum clearance of the bridge if it has a width of 10 meters. So, ang A natin is equal to 6%. Then, multiply natin siya sa 55. So, magiging A natin is 3.3 meter. So, makukuha na natin yung y sub 1 natin kasi meron tayong 150 meter. So, x sub 1 is equal to 150 minus yung 55 natin. So, x sub 1 is equal to 95 meters. So, ayan, makukuha na natin yung y sub 1 natin. So, y sub 1 over x sub 1 squared. So, h over L sub 2 squared. So, kukunin muna natin yung h. So, h is equal to L sub 1 multiply by L sub 2 multiply by G sub 1 plus G sub 2. All over 2 multiply by L sub 1 plus L sub 2. So, substitute lang natin. So, H natin is equal to L sub 1 natin na 220 multiply by L sub 2 na 150 multiply sa G sub 1 natin na negative 2.5% plus yung 6% natin na G sub 2. All over 2 multiply by 220 plus yung 150. Yan. 150 meter. Ayan. So, ang magiging H natin is 3.751 meter. Ayan. So, makukuha na natin yung Y1. Dahil nakuha na natin yung H. So, Y sub 1 is equal to 95 squared. Multiply natin sa H na 3.751 na nakuha natin over sa L sub 2 natin na 150 squared. So, ang magiging Y1 is equal to 1.521 meter. So, makukuha na natin yung minimum clearance. So, yung minimum clearance natin is equal siya sa 115 minus 100. Yan, para makuha natin yung total length or yung height. Then, minus doon sa 3.3 natin na A kanina. Then, minus siya sa Y sub 1 na 1.521. So, ang minimum clearance natin is equal to 10.179 meter. Problem 3. A forward tangent of 6% was designed to intersect a back tangent of negative 3% at a proposed underpass along Epifanio de los Santos Avenue, so as to maintain a minimum clearance allowed under the bridge which crosses perpendicular to the underpass. A 200 m curve lies on the side of the back tangent, while a 100-meter curve lies on the side of the forward tangent. The stationing and elevation of the grade intersection is 12 plus 530.20 and 100 m respectively. The center line of the bridge falls at station 12 plus 575.20. The elevation of the underside of the bridge is 117.48. Determine the clearance of the bridge at the left side if it has a width of 10 m. So, gagawa tayo ng equation para makuha yung h natin. So, 2h over L sub 1 is equal to L sub 2 multiplied by G sub 2 minus G sub 1 over L sub 1 plus L sub 2. So, ang h natin is equal to L sub 1 multiplied by L sub 2 multiplied by G sub 2 minus G sub 1 over 2 multiplied by L sub 1 plus L sub 2. So, ito na yung nakuha nating formula para sa h. So, h is equal to 200 na L sub 1, yung L sub 2 na 100, multiply natin siya sa G sub 2 na 0.06 minus yung G sub 1 na 0.03. All over 2, then yung L sub 1 natin na 200, yan. Plus yung 100. So, ang h natin is equal to 3 meters. So, kukunin naman natin yung y sub 1. Y sub 1 natin over x sub 1 squared is equal to h over L sub 2 squared. So, y1 over 60 squared is equal to 3 over 100 squared. Yan, yung 3 natin. Yan. 100 squared. So, yung magiging y1 natin is equal to 1.08. Then, yung y sub 2 naman is y sub 2 over 50 squared is equal to 3 over 100 squared. Then, yung y sub 2 natin is equal to 0.75. Then, kunin naman natin yung 2. Determine the clearance of the bridge at the right side. Yan. So, kukunin naman natin yung sukat sa right side daw ng bridge. So, ayan, yung elevation of C natin is equal to 100 plus G sub 2 natin na 0.06 multiply sa X sub 2 natin na 50. Then, ang magiging elevation of C natin is equal to 103. Then, kunin naman natin yung elevation ng D. Is equal to 103 plus sa Y sub 2 na nakuha natin kanina na 0.75. So, ang kakalabasan ng elevation of D natin is equal to 103.75.